Hi, I'm Bob with the MarineMax Osage Beach, and I'm here today with you to show you this 2019 Sunliner 230. It's a beautiful boat. It's black in color with the sport graphic on the side. It's powered by a Mercury 200, so it'll get up and go. It's got the stainless steel ladder, and it's got a nice desert camel interior with the seagrass. This model comes with or is equipped with a ski tow bar so that you can have lots of fun with all the family and get out on the lake. It's a 230 Sunliner, so it has 22-foot pontoons, and it's equipped with the Performance 2+5 2.5 package, which is designed for our lake, the Ozarks. This is a dual helm center walkthrough. You can see on the back we've got a seat on this side, and then we can flip over to the other and we got a seat here, and you walk out onto the back swim deck. Lots of storage in this boat. You've got storage behind the seats here. Plenty of storage there. You've got storage under here, your batteries under here, and there is storage under all of these compartments on this side as well. Cup holders, armrests on both sides, and this is the dual helm version. So you've got a second helm seat sitting right here, and it's very functional, and it's a very popular floor plan. Got cup holders on this side, changing room here, and with the performance package that we order it with, it comes with a ski locker in the middle, and you have a 63-gallon fuel tank, so you can go a long way with the 200, being very energy efficient or gas efficient. Fully equipped helm, smart craft gauges, gives you your hours and everything right there. It's got diffusion, audio. It's got an interior light package with the RGB, so you can adjust the color. And once again, as we move up front, you can see there's more loungers, portable cup holders, more cup holders. There's plenty of places to put your drinks and entertain your whole family. So once again, this is a beautiful 230 Sunliner. This is Bob McBride, MarineMax, Osage Beach. Give us a call. Thanks.